Let's take a short view on a latest technology called artificial intelligence. So first we will see that what is artificial intelligence? The study of computer science, study of computer system that attempts to model and apply the intelligence of human mind. The branch of computer science dealing with the stimulation of intelligence behavior in computer is called an artificial intelligence. Now we will see applications of artificial intelligence in different fields of science. Applications of artificial intelligence in medicine. A medical clinic can use artificial intelligence system to organize bed schedule, make a staff rotation and provides medical information. Artificial intelligence has also in field of cardiology, neurology, embryology, complex operation of internal organs. It also has application in image guide surgery and image analysis of enhancement. Application of artificial intelligence in music. Scientists are trying to make the computer emulate the activities of the skillful musician. Application of artificial intelligence in telecommunication. Many telecommunication companies make use of heuristic search in the management of their workforce. For example, BT Group has developed heuristic search in the scheduling application that provides the work schedules of 2,000 engineers. And artificial intelligence. A robot is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually an electromechanical machine that is guided by the computer program or electronic circuit. Robots can be autonomous or semi-autonomous. A robot may convey a sense of intelligence or thoughts of its own. Application of artificial intelligence in gaming. In the earliest day, gaming technology was not broad-ended, but now artificial intelligence technology has become a vast and standard has also been increased, and many games are involved that have artificial intelligence and sense of humor in them. Application of artificial intelligence in banking. Organize operations, invest in stock and manage properties. In August 2001, robots beat humans in stimulated financial trading competition. Some of other applications including loan investigation, ATM design and safe fast banking etc. Future of artificial intelligence. The future is really unknown. Researchers seem to disagree on a lot of the same issues. With the rate at which technology is improving, it is logically to believe artificial intelligence will continue to get more and more sophisticated. Let's take a comparison between human and computer intelligence. Normal humans have the same intellectual mechanism, and the difference in the intelligence are related to qualitative biochemical and physiological condition. But the computer program have plenty of speed and memory, but the abilities correspond to the intellectual mechanism that program designer understand well enough to put in a program. Artificial intelligence research is allowing us to understand our intelligent behavior. Artificial intelligence can help us to understand this process by repeating it, then potentially enabling us to enhance the beyond our current capabilities. Let's take some advantages of artificial intelligence. It can help us to improve our life. Machines will be able to do jobs that require detailed instructions, mental alertness and decision-making capabilities. Use of robots for heavy construction, military benefits or even for personal assistance at private homes. There will be less injury and stress to human beings. Many of our health problems now have possible solution with the use of artificial intelligence in study at universities. Scientists have been using artificial intelligence to test theories and notions about how our brain work. Artificial intelligence open up new and exciting avenues of entertainment possibilities. Thank you.